নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আপোনালোকক সকলোকে আপোনালোকৰ মৰমৰ চেনেলটোলৈ। আজি ভালেমান দিনৰ পৰা আমাৰ অসমত এটা বৰ ডাঙৰ চৰ্চা চলি আছে, সেইটো বিষয়তে আজি কথা পাতিবলৈ বিচাৰিছোঁ। অসম মিজোৰাম সীমান্তত যিটো দুৰ্ঘটনা হৈ গ'ল, দুৰ্ভাগ্যজনক, সেইটোৰ ওপৰত কথা পাতিব বিচাৰিছোঁ। আৰু এই ভিডিঅ'টো বিশেষভাৱে মই ইংৰাজীত কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ। ইংৰাজীত কৰিব বিচৰাৰ কাৰণ এটাই, কাৰণ সকলোৱে বুজি পোৱাটো বৰ দৰকাৰী মই ভাবোঁ। তো আজি ভিডিঅ'টো ইংৰাজীত কৰোঁ। Hello friends, as we all know that there was a very unfortunate chapter happened in Assam Mizoram border. Mizoram police killed Assam police personnel brutally. So this is very unfortunate. And after this incident, in each and every Assamese family we talk that how and why this incident happened. How come a Indian citizen can shoot another Indian citizen, not a normal Indian citizen, a police personnel? How can this happen? And what we can do about this as a Assamese? Because there is always a pain, whether you are Assamese or you are from Telangana or you are from from Maharashtra or from wherever part of India. If somebody dies from your state, you feel bad. That is very definite. But after this incident, we all think that what we can do. There is a anger, inside anger, because police personnel, they are doing their duty. If somebody from the government, which is from another state, kill them, then you feel, it is how you feel. There are no words to express. It's not acceptable. As it is not acceptable, so as a young guy from Assam, I was also very, frankly speaking, I was very angry. So I thought, first of all, I should read about this, because I am not a very knowledgeable guy. Whatever I am speaking, I have very limited knowledge, and with this limited knowledge I am speaking. If I speak something wrong, then I am sorry. I am begging pardon to each and everyone who is watching this video. In advance I am begging pardon, because if I am speaking something wrong, then I am very much sorry. But as a Assamese, I feel very sad for those family who have lost their loved ones. But now I am thinking that what we can do. In every family, Assam, today we all discuss in every family that why this happened and what we should do. And why can't we retaliate? Why can't we give them the reply the same way Mizoram is giving us? Why can't we do? So today I was in a conversation with my dad, that why can't we retaliate the same way the Mizoram is doing. In the conversation I was in in a very hyper mood. So I told my dad that why shouldn't we give them a very same reply that the way they are giving us. Then my dad he was listening me in a very calm way. Calmly he was listening to me. Then he replied to me that after listening all my opinions, he replied me calmly. He told me that, son, we have some legacies which we have to follow. We had people like Lokopriya Gopinath Bordole, Bharat Ratna. We have people like Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Bharatratna. Maybe in Mizoram they don't have people like Bhupen Hazarika and Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi to encourage their youth. That is why they are using guns against Indian citizen. Being an Indian citizen, they are using guns against Indian citizen. So as a Assamese, you have more responsibilities, because we have people like Gopinath Bordoloi, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Kolaguru Vishnu Prasad Rabha, Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, Vishnuram Medhi, many more, countless people we have. We have own language, literature, we have Assamese alphabets, everything we have. So we are in a higher position. So we can't act like a child. We can't act like a child. We are more responsible. Apart from that, my dad told me that in Assam we never had a CM who is from an extremist group. You know, so it is not in our culture actually. We never had a CM who belongs to extremist group. So we don't have that kind of thinking actually. If you see, starting from Gopinath Bordoloi till now Himanta Biswa Sarma, we never had a CM who belongs to an extremist group. So we never had that kind of thinking that shoot this, kill him. We never have. We always think that follow the Indian Constitution, see what we can do as per the law. We follow that. That is why we will not do the same thing what our neighboring states are doing. Because if you are a part of India, you cannot go beyond Indian Constitution. You can't. That is not possible. Because you are a part of India, you cannot do that. So after listening to my dad's opinion, I thought that he is right. He is right. Because in front of Indian Constitution, nothing is powerful, yeah? Nothing is powerful. You have to follow the Indian Constitution. If you think that you are a part of India, you have to follow the Indian Constitution. Today you do something and then you realize that, oh, I have done something wrong. That is not right. That is not right. And I am very proudly saying that our Assam government is handling this situation is very nicely. And I think we will overcome this. We will overcome this. And last but not the least, as I told you that we have Bharatratna from Assam. Today there is a very great news that we have a Olympic medal winner from Assam also. And I would like to say our neighboring state that please concentrate on games, health, education, etc. Best of luck.